Hello everyone! In this video we're going to solve this math expression. 12 divided by 1 over 4 times 4. Believe it or not, 99% of people get this wrong. Many will mistakenly cancel out the 4's and say the answer is 12. But that is completely incorrect. The reason they get it wrong is that they ignore the PEMDAS rule and the KCF method. Let's break it down properly and find the real answer. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way. You just finish them up from left to right. Alright guys, let's get into the KCF rule. What do these three letters stand for? K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for Philip. This rule is specifically for when you want to divide a number by a fraction. Here's how it works. Keep. You keep the first number as it is. Change. You change the division sign to multiplication. Flip. You flip the second fraction. Since we have both division and multiplication in this expression, we must follow the PEMDAS rule, which means we solve from left to right. First, we solve 12 divided by 1 over 4 using the KCF rule. Keep. We keep the 12 as it is. Change. We change the division sign to multiplication. Flip. We flip 1 over 4 to 4 over 1, which is just 4. So, 12 multiplied by 4 gives us 48. Now, for the final step, we perform the last multiplication. 48 multiplied by 4 equals 192. Therefore, our final and correct answer is 192. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment your thoughts below. Your support helps us bring you more fun math challenges every day. Thank you.